Let's be real. We have all had those moments where opening an email feels like climbing a mountain. It's not that you're lazy. It's just that your brain is human. But what if I told you there was a way to outsmart it, even if you're super lazy? Let's go. Okay, let's break it down. Your mind is wired to seek comfort and avoid pain. You'll rather watch videos and scroll TikTok for hours rather than doing what you need to do. It's not a weakness. It's a survival mechanism. But good news, once you understand it, you can hack it. This trick changed everything for me. Small steps, big wins. Instead of writing a detailed plan, open Notion and then write one sentence down. Then boom, celebrate. Let's level up. Here are 5 lazy-proof tips that you can use today. If it takes under 2 minutes, do it now. No debates, no delays. Work for 25 minutes. Rest for 5. Repeat. You'll feel more focused and you'll be less tired. Set tiny triggers. Like, if I make tea, then I'll write one sentence. Start with your hardest task. Mornings are golden, so use them. Folding laundry, high five yourself. Finishing an email, confetti moment. Let me tell you about the time I delayed a project. I had to pull an all-nighter. I put on some lo-fi music and a face of fear. I did turn in the project 3 minutes before the deadline. Was it done? Yes. Was it pretty? Absolutely not. What's the point? We don't want to rely on panic. We want to build the momentum before the storm. Here's my final hack. Don't rely on motivation. Build momentum. Motivation is like a printer. It's great when it works, but in the little everyday moves. Right now, pick one task you've been dreading to do. Break it into smaller steps. The more you have, the better. Then, just do it. Comment down below what's your laziest moment or even what task you finally started today. Let's share and keep each other accountable. If this helps, hit the like button and subscribe for no BS productivity tips. Thank you for watching. Remember, small steps, big wins. And hey, if you're ready to level up, check out more of my videos.